So you click on this video because you want to know more about FOMO. You came to the right spot. In this video, we're talking about what is FOMO and what you can do to combat it. That's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one discussions just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before... I'm actually in the wrong attire. I'm in the wrong attire. Hold on, give me 1 second. Yeah. Now we talking. FOMO who? FOMO what? Yo, I'm ready for FOMO. FOMO ain't got nothing on me. Breaking the fourth wall. I already filmed this video. This wasn't on. I filmed this shit for 20 minutes and the whole thing wasn't even on. It wasn't even working. So what is FOMO? FOMO stands for fear of missing out. Basically, it's like a feeling that we all get and it's completely normal. Let's say like if a group of people get one particular item and you feel like you have to get it, that's FOMO. If you feel like people are going to like a certain place or like doing certain things that you feel like you have to do it too, that's FOMO. That is fear of missing out. I'll give you 2 examples. Not to name drop, but I know someone who experiences FOMO quite a bit. This person needed my help financially, right? And I was like, yeah, cool. We spent like maybe 30 minutes to an hour writing down the most important things that are important to that individual. She then goes and she says, I'm thinking about buying some AirPods. So I'm like, that would be silly to get that right now because you know that you have other responsibilities to take care of. Don't waste your time getting AirPods. Right now, focus on what you need to get done first and handle yourself as a person. I guess a few weeks later, I found out that this person ended up buying the AirPods. There's no way in hell within this amount of time you got all of the stuff that we went over done like that. I'm like, you know what? At that point, it has nothing to do with me. All right, cool. Speeding up a few months later, I'm now hearing that she had to sell some of her personal items to get money to do XYZ. This is the same shit I'm talking about. You saying that you want to get AirPods because everyone at your job has AirPods while they work and you're the only person without any AirPods. First of all, number 1, who gives a fuck what everybody else has? Focus on you. Number 2, if you're at work, focus on your work. Who gives a fuck about the AirPods in your ears? Oh, well then I could drive without using, you know, my phone. That is the most ridiculous justification of someone's actions I've ever heard in my life. If you know that's something that is important to you that you need to get done, friggin' do that. I'm not saying that you can't get your AirPods. Focus, yo, focus. Who cares what other people are doing or what they have? I'll throw myself in the example too. I sometimes experience FOMO, and sometimes like I will have my friends, they will go out and I'll be at home like, damn, I really wish that I could go with these people and have fun. I know for a fact why I'm staying home. I know that I need to work on my craft. I need to work on what's important for me. I go out and have fun. Yeah, that would be cool at the moment. But after when all of that is done, what do you think is gonna happen? You think someone's gonna stick out their hand and be like, hey, I will help you? No, they're not gonna do that. But here's the plot twist. You think everyone is watching you because of what you're not doing. But in reality, everyone has the same exact feeling. If that makes sense, it's called spotlight effect. Everyone feels like the spotlight is on them. Everyone is just focusing on their own goddamn business. So how do you basically combat FOMO? Let's get down to the nitty gritty. First of all, you need to acknowledge that you have FOMO occurring. If you ignore it, you're lost. Be like, yeah, you know what? Right now I'm experiencing FOMO. I really want to do this thing right now. Damn, should I do it? Number 2, what are the consequences if you go ahead and you do that? Yeah, the benefit will be like, yeah, at the moment, yeah, you turning up, you getting litty. Cool. What happens afterwards? Is it going to be worth it? Hold up. I need some more of these flaming hot Doritos. ASMR, bitch. Right now, I got to the point where, look, I don't care what people have. I'm not gonna be a hater and be like, yo, fuck your items or fuck where you go. I'm not like that. But I know deep down, I will get my chance. I will get my time. But at the end of the day, FOMO can suck my... And that's a mentality that I want you guys to have too when it comes to FOMO. Don't do certain things because everyone else is doing it and it's gonna shoot yourself in the foot. You can't be poor and making poor decisions. Like that's 2 negatives. You can be poor and make smart decisions and big player moves. Step number 3, once you identify it and you realize out the pros and cons, the 3rd one is to punch it in the mouth. No, you put the N and you put the O. Tell FOMO that, yo, you know what? I am feeling this certain type of way. I do see you, but I refuse to let you consume me, period, at all times. Best believe I'll get my turn. But not right now. Right now, I need to work because this is the better option for me. FOMO is like basically wanting to be up in people's ass crack. Do you want to be up in people's ass crack smelling they shit stains? No, it's not fun. It's nasty. It stink. Super Saiyan. Ooh, my little popcorn muscle. I'm over here eating flaming hot Dorito chips, burning my mouth, speaking into the microphone, and it wasn't even picking up any of the flames I was spitting. Get it? Hopefully the audio is there this time and I'm not like an asshole and I gotta film this all over again because I'll be really pissed. and very sad. I gotta make some TikToks. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't. It's pretty fun.